Hello everyone, this is Sheshe and today I'm coming on to do a tutorial on how to make these cute designer purses. They're so adorable and I picked this up at Alinacutle store on Aliexpress. This is how it comes and I'll go over all the pieces. There's some metal pieces that you put on the designer purse, the handle, and some optional pieces you can use on the purse. So I'm just going to show you how to put it together, and I made mine into a paper clip embellishment, but you can use it on a card or whatever you choose. So what I found when I started using this set, you probably would want to buy extra because these pieces are so tiny. You just want to run them through multiple times, especially if you're going to make a lot of embellishments. So I cut out a lot of pieces, as you can see. I've just been playing with it all afternoon, making so many of these little pieces to cut out. So that's just my suggestion if you are having so much fun playing with this set. But yeah, you're going to want to make a lot of different purses in different colors and different combinations. So what I'm going to do is make a cream and black purse with a silver paper clip. I have gold, but I've already made a lot of these. So I cut out my pieces already, and I'll just show you all the different elements and how it's put together. Have all, like I said, all my pieces cut out already. They're really tiny pieces, so you're going to want to cut out a lot at once. So you may want to pick up 1 or 2 or 3, depending on how addicted you get on cutting these pieces out. They're really tiny pieces. So I'm just going to show you how to put it together. Let me zoom in some more. Okay, so what I do, since I already have this one already done, is I'm going to flip this one over because I want to make a paper clip embellishment. So I'm just going to match this up with this one and glue right in the spots where I have my metal pieces glued right here. They're really tiny. And then there's a zipper that's really cute that goes right about here. There's like a little I'll bring it up to the camera. There's like a little embossing for the zipper, so you want to glue that on. I do have that piece right here. Then I'm going to glue a little piece right there and put on the little silver piece just like that. Okay, so this is what I have so far and how it looks. And then you can leave it like this if you want. That's one combination. And then there's like these little pieces where you can make a different color combinations for your purse. You can do different handles if you like. I'm going to press that down. And I'm going to make mine in black. You can make your handles the same color as your purse if you like. It's all up to you, and I'll show you all my different designer bags and how they turned out. These are so cute. And if you're interested in the papers that I use, I do have a video that shows all the different embossing. It's by Tonic Studios. And these are great for scraps. You can make a paper pack go a long way. Okay, and then for the metal pieces I used metallic poster board that I got from the Dollar Tree. I don't even know if they still sell it, but that's where I got mine. Okay, and this is the handle that I cut out. And then I just thread it through like this and glue it down to match it up with the other one. Like I said, you can leave it as one side or two. Like that. So I'm going to glue this down on the other side. I'm going to do 2 sides of glue right about here. But I want to make this into a paper clip, so I'm trying to match both sides up. And here we go. Just like that. Now I'm going to layer these up to make sure they line up. Exactly. So you may want to push this down a little bit more. The glue's not quite dry yet. Okay, so let's line this up again. Okay, so it's about lined up there. And then we'll glue these together and then put our paper clip inside. And we'll face the paper clip down like that. Okay, so now we will take our embellishment and glue it together. And you set that aside to dry. Okay, so I'll show you all my designer purses. Here they go, all cute. So I hope you have fun making these. I will link the purse in the description box below where you can pick this up on Aliexpress and Alina's store. So take care. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a fabulous day.